everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing a process video with you using a mixture of my Felicity Jane kits. So I've just shared my photo there. I've prepared this cut file. It's gorgeous. It's of a little caravan and it's cut out of white cardstock. And I'm putting down a strip of pale blue Felicity Jane paper because I want it to look like one of those vintage caravans that are on trend at the moment. So just getting that down and trimming it now. The photo I just shared with you is of my youngest daughter at a beautiful river. We absolutely love camping and we have our little camper van. And so this page is all about our little trips we do. So just tidying up that wheel arch, and I deliberately left the scallop border on that paper because I want this cut file to have a real girly feel. So there's my wheel, and I've cut out a window out of the pale pink and a door, and I've also cut those out of some floral paper because I'm going to make some little curtains. So there's a side draping curtain for the door, and I've cut out the same piece of floral paper for the window, and I was going to do curtains, but then I decided to pull out one of my old punches and I'm using a scallop punch. So it will have the appearance of a blind on that window. So just trimming down those edges now, and I'll attach that to that pale pink cut piece. Okay, so that's looking really cute. Just getting my wheel sorted now. So my wheel is cut out of some darker blue Felicity Jane, just the plain paper. And my little hubcap is cut out of some white cardstock. So just popping that up on some fun foam and attaching that to the wheel. So what I do next is I stitch all around those little individual pieces just to give it a bit of texture, but also to hold them in place. So there's my backing paper. Now on the camera it's difficult to see the cut file, the white on white, but in real life it is very noticeable. So I didn't add that border piece up on any foam or the inside of the caravan on any foam either. So getting that all stuck down, attaching that little door piece, and then I go to attach the inside piece of the caravan, and I actually have some trouble with that, and I actually end up cutting that outline piece so that I can fit the inside piece in properly and line it all up. If I had my time over, I probably would have attached it all to just a piece of printer paper, sewn round it then when it was all attached, and then stuck it down to my background paper. So getting that all sorted now, you can see here I have a little bit of trouble lining it all up. Okay, so with my photo, I'm going to add some tissue paper right behind it, but you'll notice there I've also pulled out some packaging from my Felicity Jane kits that I'm going to use to layer behind my photo. One of the packaging pieces has white scallop on black, and up the other end is black polka dots on white. The packaging in Felicity Jane is absolutely adorable. You can't throw it out. It's just too cute. So it's great for layering and making other bits and pieces for your embellishments. So I'm going to attach my photo directly to the tissue paper, and then I'm going to add some fun foam behind the tissue paper. Because there's so much white on the page, I just want to add a little bit of dimension, and I want to be sure that everyone can see each and every element that I'm using on this page. Now that, excuse me, that little bit of black on the right hand side of that layering piece, I've put that in deliberately because I am going to add a little bit of black on the page. I like black when I use a white background, so I'm going to add some black ink splatters now, just using a cheap watercolor palette. And there'll be a little bit of black in the embellishments and my journaling and date stamp. Once they're dry, I will, excuse me, attach my photo down to that background. And then we can start playing with some of the embellishments. Okay, I've already pulled out all of the bits and pieces from a number of kits that I'd like to use on this page. And I'm going to add some of them up on some foam tape. So that one there, it's a little speech bubble and it says happy. That's from the Willow kit, little chipboard piece. Die cut piece, I'm sorry, not chipboard. That little banner or tab is also from the Willow kit. I have this little scallop piece from Willow as well. Now what I am hoping to achieve with this is to make it look like an awning above my window. It's not sitting properly at the moment, so I will add a really thin strip of fun foam. And then I grab another scallop piece. It's a puffy sticker from the Gina kit. And I will put that above that little willow scallop. So it kind of looks like an awning, maybe has a shingle feel to it as well. And just popping that puffy sticker down now. I've also got a little geotag piece from the Willow kit in the blue that I'll add on some foam dots. And I've got a little puffy word sticker that says my happy place, which I will also put above that window. Now that is a little chipboard sticker that says the best view. That's from the summer kit, and that little puffy pale pink book plate is from the Gina kit. So there's a little bit of black that I was talking about earlier. That's that banner piece from the latest kit, the henna kit. That will contain my date. And this blue scallop piece is also from the Willow kit. So I've got some beautiful little floral pieces here. Most of these are from the Willow kit. That one there is. The puffy sticker going down with that one is from the Gina kit. The other two pink floral pieces are from Willow, and that leaf is from the henna kit. Then I've pulled out all of these beautiful little hearts. So I've got some little epoxy hearts in pale pink and pale blue. They're from the latest kit, the henna kit. I've also got some wood veneer hearts. Now, I'm not sure if they came with a kit or not because they were purchased separately to my kit subscription. I've got these little puffy hearts from the Gina kit as well. So let's just glue down those wood veneer hearts now with some liquid adhesive. And then what I'm going to do is just fold over that top left. It's a bit of an empty space, but I didn't want to completely fill the page. So I'm just popping some of the blue paper that I used on the caravan there and stapling that down. And just add a bit of adhesive behind that as well. And then I'll pop on my journaling and my date stamp and the page is done. So here's some photos of the finished page. I just love how it turned out. It is so cute, that cut file. And I love it with all of those pastel embellishments and bits and bobs. Thanks for watching.